Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
Yes, indeed. This is the afternoon edition of the Daily Weather Briefing video for September 1st, for Thursday, the first day of meteorological fall. Not that it feels like fall. It did in some spots this morning. We had some upper 50s, but at some point the fall air mass will get here. But we all know it can be so hot in early September. But at least the humidity down for most of the state today, the exception down in parts of southeast Alabama where showers have formed. And we have a tropical storm on the board today, so some things to talk about. Let's dive in and discuss. This is the upper air look across the country this afternoon. We've got ridging here in place across the deep south. And the visible satellite view, most of Alabama, most of the state, bright, sunny. Severe clear. The exception, southeast Alabama, basically south of a line from near Phoenix City down to Andalusia and Bruton, where scattered showers and storms are in progress. And even there, it's not raining in many places. We'll check the radar composite this afternoon, doing this update at 2:47. And you can see most of the state dry, those isolated showers limited to southeast Alabama. Temperatures around 90 in most spots. So we've got 90 in Birmingham, upper 80s for Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, low 90s for Montgomery, Dothan, and Mobile. We'll see numbers coming down by the time the weekend gets here, highs in the low and mid 80s because of an increase in clouds and showers. There's the watch warning map across the country today. Pretty quiet. Most of the issues are out west with heat issues under a ridge there. No severe weather expected through tonight across the country. Tomorrow, a marginal risk from Kansas up into the western Great Lakes. And then day 3, which is Saturday. Once again, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. And you can see most of the state amounts generally between 1 and 2 inches. And again, we'll see the return of scattered showers and storms beginning tomorrow, really statewide. And we'll have some rain at times over the weekend and next week, but the weekend not a total washout. So let's talk about the tropics. We have a named storm for the first time in a long time. We have Danielle. This is a high-latitude storm in the North Atlantic. And this will not affect anybody, but it's on the board now, Tropical Storm Danielle. We have 2 other waves, one that is east of the Leeward Islands, one that is in the eastern Atlantic. There's a look at Danielle, looking pretty good. This should become a hurricane fairly soon. Currently, the top winds are at 40 miles an hour, but this will likely strengthen. And you can see this is in the middle of nowhere, and it stays in the middle of nowhere between Bermuda and Europe. Between now and Tuesday of next week. So that is no threat to land. Concerning the other waves, the one in the eastern Atlantic, that's not expected to develop now. Dry air will eat that thing up. The system that's east of the Leeward Islands, that will probably become a depression or storm, but that will be a recurving system, recurving into the westerlies well to the east of the United States. This is the probabilistic outlook from the European Ensemble, and you can see the United States, Gulf of Mexico, no tropical trouble, at least for the next 7 to 10 days as this remarkably quiet season rolls along. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. A little troughing north and west of the state, and moisture begins to increase statewide. So we'll mention a few scattered showers and storms statewide tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And the high will be close to 90, I'd say 87 to 90. So for the weekend, this is what it looks like on Saturday. And again, you can see that we've got a fairly high amount of moisture in place. And we'll certainly mention scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. And a lot of people have things going on. We've got college football. We've got other events. And as you know, in this type of pattern, we cannot tell you exactly when and where it will rain far in advance. There's no skill in that. But just be aware they'll be around, especially noon to midnight. So for the football games, I take the rain gear. Alabama and Auburn, they have evening games at home. I don't think it rains for the entire game, and it might not rain at either site, but take the rain gear just in case. This is the high-resolution NAM, valid Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, about the time Alabama and Auburn are in their first quarter. And really, it's not showing a lot. I think we'll probably see a little more out there than that. But, again, we want to stress it will not be a washout. We think the sun breaks out at times on Saturday, but just be ready for the occasional passing shower and storm. I wish I could tell you exactly when and where it will rain. I don't know. Your app doesn't know. Nobody knows. You have to watch the radar trends very carefully. And really, it's going to be that way for the rest of the Labor Day weekend. This is Sunday and this is Monday. The sky cloudy at times, scattered to numerous showers and storms both days. Most active during the afternoon and evening hours. And again, highs low to mid-80s because of clouds and showers. Evidence showers will be thinning out toward the middle of next week. This is Tuesday and Wednesday. They'll be around, scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms, typical for this time of the year. And this is a week from today. This is Thursday, September 8th. Little upper-low feature off to the east of here. And again, number of showers and storms around. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, September 11th. 9/11, upper low near Jacksonville, and if this happens to verify, we would be in a drier air mass, but remember, this is 10 days out, and this could change. Here's a look at the rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble, the mean about 4 inches between now and the 16th of September. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models, and we've got 89 tomorrow, and after that, mid to upper 80s, and maybe low 80s on a few days because of clouds and showers right on through Sunday the 11th. And the latest guidance just in, hot off the presses, coming from CPC. This is for September 9th through the 15th. Temperatures around here near normal, near out of like normal. There's no such thing as normal weather. Never has been, never will be. We have average weather based on numbers, and temperatures around here should be near average. Had a great time today at Coleman High School. Always enjoy visiting my friends up there, home of the Bear Cats, and they gave us some good-looking cookies. Wow, those were like slightly awesome, excellent, outstanding. So that'll do it for the afternoon edition here of the weather briefing video. For those new here, we do these twice a day, once in the morning about 5:30, once in the afternoon about 2:30 or 3. We'll have notes over on the blog. That is alabamawx.com. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Got Gardendale Elementary tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. Looking forward to that. Y'all have a great evening. Thanks a lot, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.